Welcome to Creativity Cooks. This week we are making chicken taquitos. You will need the following ingredients: 4 corn tortillas, 1 cup of cooked chicken or black beans if you're a vegetarian, a quarter cup of Fiesta blend cheese, 1 pack of ready rice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. The paprika and the chili powder are both optional. Step 1. Since the chicken is already cooked, use your hands or a butter knife to break up the chicken into small pieces. Now, add the following spices: the garlic powder, the paprika, the chili powder, and the cumin, and mix really well. Step 4, you will need to add your chicken to the center of the tortilla. Once your chicken is on the tortilla, use your hands and sprinkle some cheese on top of the chicken. Once the cheese is added, carefully roll your tortilla up into a nice little roll. Be careful, corn tortillas break really easily, so be really gentle with it. Add your tortilla to an oven-safe dish or plate. Repeat steps 3 to 5 until you have all 4 of your taquitos ready for baking. Use a brush or a paper towel along with some olive oil to baste the top of your taquito, just like I'm doing here. Once you're finished basting, place the taquitos in the oven for about 10 to 20 minutes, or until they start becoming a nice golden brown color. Once finished, remove from the oven and allow to cool. While they are cooling, you can go ahead and make your rice. Tear the corners of it about an inch from each side and place in the microwave for 90 seconds. Once you remove the rice from the microwave, pour it into a plate or a bowl and mix it up. You can add the taquitos to the rice and serve. You can also make some salsa or some guacamole to go with this as well and add them all to this dish. They all taste great together. These are so tasty. Thank you for cooking with us. We'll see you guys next week.